So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Vance. You're watching Evan's Family Adventures, and we had a good weekend last weekend. I was just overwhelmed with the turnout there in Oklahoma prior. That Dutch and Keep the Hidden Heights put on just for me. And I was just overwhelmed with all the fans that gathered around me and wanted selfies taken and stuff like that. And especially Daniel Arms, he just wouldn't leave me alone until he got a selfie.
Ross Evans, are you lying to those people again? You meathead.
As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, you know, Daniel Arms, he kept following me around, wanting pictures taken with me. Finally, I took a minute and got a selfie done with him, and him in Houston, matter of fact. And Kevin and Rachel over at Hidden Heights Farm, I mean, they didn't bug me too bad, but they definitely wanted a selfie of me. And Keeping It Dutch, his wife and family, Rojack Outdoors, Chad from Adler Farms. Yeah, just so many people. I didn't realize I had that many fans, but hey, you know, it is what it is. And I was just overwhelmed. And Tim from Ridge Life, he was there. He kept running up to me wanting selfies. I think we took about 10 or 15. But my friend MT Homestead, you know, he wanted a selfie, of course. And there's just so many more. I can't mention them all, but really appreciate all my fans. But anyway, we'll get to the video. And today we're going to be installing a door on my wife's office that she's making, and I'm going to bring y'all along, so I hope you enjoy it. So we're going to be putting this door on, and first I'm going to have to get all this door framing out.
Okay.
And,
Oh, I'm sorry.
my wife thinks I'm talking to her all the time. I can't make a video without her thinking I'm talking to her. I don't understand that. Anyway. Better replace the stream anyway, it's all beat up.
cat not going to be quiet.
I'm guessing you're told to stay in here?
I've got this door basically in. I'll screw one screw up here at the top. Right in here. Make it.
It's not, it is a, I don't know where that comes from. It's 490 pounds. That's not bad. It's not right. 230 on the crossing. Yeah, a lot of us got here too. How can you get 50 minutes?
Yeah, ship it that way, didn't it? Yeah, 1x6 or something. Turn like 2 times.
It's right like this. If you put the thought that's ready.
Take one of these. Put it at an angle. Like a shim. Yeah. You put it at an angle like that, real small. Make a shim. You put one on this side, one on that side, and a shim. I'm trying to use tall one. I've seen that. I try.
That sounds close. Okay, this is dragon dog, huh? It is really, really cool. You have your character, and it's like then it's like you find this dragon comes down, and it like literally takes your heart out. So you're called a dragon voice from Star. This is not mine. But anyway, so then you get to create. There's these things called pawns, okay? And pawns, they're completely controlled by you or whoever. You have one main pawn that you get to create, okay? Look, here's my main pawn. It's great. He made me put a different. He made me put a beard on.
Yeah, I'm not a salt user. I just found this laying up on the ground. It might work. No?
You talking about cutting something like this?
Yeah, shimming it up.
Put it in there, yeah.
Why don't you center it up in the door frame?
Huh?
Center it up in the door frame, and then you'll be able to put one of them blocks on that side and one of these on that side. You see what I'm saying?
It does look like great.
I'm saying, move the whole thing over.
Oh.
You'll be able to shove this one in there and that one in there. That'll make it even.
You don't have to go like.
It's not centered. It's centered right there, but it's not centered in the frame.
No,
That's what we did before. Just do that.
well, on that one, we did just put this one up first, the hinge side on, and then work for this side. But that one over there using one of these boards, so it fit perfect. There's a little bit more room
It
immediately.
looks like you scooted it over and tight. You might be able to stick that one in.
Well, you know, my party, and you said about being like a, you know, where you're going to do other people, you get to play with their creations. So it removes the idiots out of the mix. So it's actually really good for you. But you know where to get some more, because you go to these things. And then you get to find people to join the force.
That's good up there, isn't it?
On the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fine. Well, you need something up there. There's a room in there.
I don't.
You need a piece of this. You got a piece of trim?
Yep. I don't know if you can burn it.
I'll stick in there. See that angle? That'd be perfect to stick in there. On both sides, and then you get the picture. Just stick it in there far enough, your screw will run up through it.
That doorknob has actually got a guide.
Hey, why don't you turn that door on around?
I got control.
That's how you got it set right now.
Okay, here, hold this because I gotta see that.
I should have stuck to do it.
Oh, put that switch on so I handle a lot of when we get it. Now watch the bed, now watch it. There's no ceiling fan, now watch.
You're not staring at the light.
It's a retractable ceiling fan.
Looks like you're staring at
Now watch it, watch it.
That's freaking weird.
There's the dome for it, look how cool it looks. And it's got a bunch of like crystals to put. There's that.
Fancy.
I'm making sure that thing is turned off every time I'm here, because I'm just gonna sit there and I'm gonna be flipping this
It'll
switch, watching it go in and
I
out.
told her she better turn it off last night because you'll ain't here playing with
And that's not even high, and that's just on the lower setting. Not even all of the LEDs are turned on. Okay, give me my switch.
Oh, I forgot about it. Here you go. Ha! I scared Ellie. Nerd.
Maria, wait for a minute.
I keep getting scared.
Ellie, get over here.
So we got the door in. Got the new doorknob. This is the proper way from professionals that you do a door. We are professionals here at Evans Family Adventures. And if you're not doing it our way, then you're doing it wrong. So, got a door up. We'll have to get the trim put up. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, go down there, hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and we'll see you on the next adventure.